Hey guys, so I'm going to do a wash day routine with you all. As you can see, I was going to try to record on my tripod upstairs, but this one is only good for vertical videos. Either way, I'm doing a wash day and my hair needs it so terribly. Like, it's so bad. So bad. Either way, I haven't washed my hair in a while, so I'm doing a wash day, and I'm also going to try to implement a new, I don't know, a new system, I guess you could say, product, maybe. Yeah, product, into my routine to see if it can combat this dandruff that I seem to always have. And I'm going to insert, I guess I'll do video or either way, I'll show y'all what I made. How about that at some point? But yeah, this is just going to be like a wash day routine, and then I'm going to retie my roots. And yeah, so what do I need for wash day? Okay, I typically use Dr. Bronner's soap, which I know can be very stripping, as I talk about dandruff, right? But yeah, so we're gonna use the Dr. Bronner's. I'm gonna get a t-shirt to dry my hair, and then I am going to get a towel like to kind of like lay on. You'll see in a minute. And then yeah, we'll go from there. So, how many people wash their hair in the kitchen sink? There's a lot of debate about that. If you know, you know. I grew up getting my hair washed in the kitchen sink at my auntie's house, who was everybody's beautician at the time. So that's what I'm finna do because, well, number one, the reason why I'm washing my hair in the kitchen sink now or today is because I do have like purple dye at the ends of my hair, and I don't want all of that dye to get into my white shower, right? But yeah, so if my dye wasn't as like fresh, I guess you could say, I probably would wash it in the shower. But today we're going to the kitchen sink. That's okay. Probably to start, just to start, and then I'm gonna finish it up. Not with this part. You can help blow dry my hair if you want. Yeah, I mean, you just can't help wash it though. I don't need help right now. Not right now. I'm gonna let you help blow dry my hair. No, you gotta wait. Another thing that I forgot to mention when washing hair in the kitchen sink is cleaning your spout. I guess that's what you call it. Obviously, you're supposed to do that pretty consistently. I'm supposed to do that pretty consistently. However, sometimes I forget. And then what does always remind me is when I do have to wash my hair or my child's hair, any of my children's hair in the kitchen sink, I always remember to clean it because you don't want any of that gunk in your hair. You obviously don't want it on your dishes and stuff either. So gross. Fortunately, we use our dishwasher often. Disclaimer. But still, that's something else you want to do. Pretty clean. All right. So yes, I'm climbing on my counter. I will disinfect it. Mind your business. All right. No, you're going to help blow dry my hair, okay?
Excuse me. Perfect day to wear long sleeves.
Yeah, I don't know.
Definitely wash mine 18 times.
It dripped somewhere over here.
You got the pressure glass.
Oh, right here on my shoulder. Whew. Okay. Whatever.
Alright. Is that enough? Oh, I thought you wanted ridiculous.
Yeah, I do. So come on. Just
I don't think that's enough.
wet it.
What?
Wet it.
But with this?
Try not to get it outside of the sink because I don't want the dye to get everywhere. All right, that's good enough right now. And then just rub it.
I don't want to touch people's hair.
You don't want to?
Like people, like you know how they wash their.
Can you do it like
hair?
this? Can you like
Yeah.
try to? Thank you.
Because like, what if they have lice? And they would say they have lice.
I don't know. Where's she at?
Right here. So the rest of your hair don't need to get wet?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Because like the bottom is just.
Yeah, I'll get that wet at some point.
I don't know, sir.
I think the main thing I want you to focus on in this area right here, because that's the part that's hardest for me. Because I can do the back. When I've been over in the sink, I'm gonna be able to get the back.
Okay, just not the front.
Right, not the front is good.
Can I have more soap in my hand?
Here, you can do it. Just try to be mindful. Over the sink. Over the sink.
I just need to get where your ear is. Anything else you want me to do?
No, that's fine. You feel like you're done?
Yeah.
So here I'm just finishing up the front of my hair. I was trying to get my daughter to help me, but she wasn't really up for the task. Sometimes my husband helps me, but yeah, today we worked with what we had to work with. And then I transitioned to doing the back of my hair. And now I'm just trying to do the ends, and then I'll be done in a minute. And I'm taking a little breaky break right here because, honey,
today drained me.
and now I'm just squeezing my hair out, trying to get as much water out as possible. And I'm using the t-shirt to dry my hair to eliminate as much lint buildup as possible.
Next, Aubrey is going to dry Mom's hair. Are you going to dry her hair?
Yes.
Wait, say it.
Yes.
Okay. Are you going to brush her hair?
Yes. Brush your hair.
So now we are at the blow drying part. I typically only do this to get my hair to not be dripping wet anymore. I don't blow dry it fully dry, but it's just enough so that my hair again is not dripping wet, because that's super uncomfortable for me. And I figured this was a good part for the littlest one to actually help out with, because again, it was really quick and it didn't really take much much help to do. And then it just wouldn't be a little hair salon day for her if she was not able to comb and or brush my hair. I know y'all heard her asking that earlier, which I completely did not hear her talking. I guess I was so zoned into trying to clean out the sink and stuff. But yeah, this was a little, treat for her to do, I guess you could say, was to comb my hair.
So I am going to spray my hair with this. I'll insert a clip of this is rosemary water that I made myself. And I'll insert a clip, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair with this. Right here, put it back, please. I have one shit. I don't think she uses it. She does my hair short. No, she uses mine. She uses it. No. That's my hair short. Her than mine. Which one is that same one? Yeah, I gave her. They only give it two? Okay, that's important too. I used to have to do it her first. Yeah, because I'm using mine. And then let's do an oil to put on my hair. I was just trying to remember. I got this in like a company sent this to me. So, and it's just mainly to put some, I guess, moisture into my hair, a lot of the moisture into my hair. And what I mean by that is the water, essentially. It smells very medicated because of the lemongrass and tea tree, I believe it said it had in there. I don't normally put a lot of oil on my scalp because I feel like that because I typically have like a dandruff problem, the oil doesn't help combat that either. And so now my dandruff is like, it just transformed into an oily dandruff, I guess you could say. Typically my dandruff is more flaky, dry. I don't know. But, because I mean, obviously we think dandruff is all about dry skin, but I think also dandruff can come from an over amount of oil production, I guess you could say too. Either way, it doesn't help my hair. So I try not to put much on my scalp to, you know, do more to it than what it needs to be done, if that makes sense. So yeah. And then I'm just doing like a lint check, and that looks pretty good. All right, and then all right, let's do this section. All right, looks fine to me. Nothing too crazy. I'm not putting on my scalp, so I just put it there. But this is the length it's giving. It's giving almost booty length. Hello. So this is me from the future with my hair washed and retightened. But I did want to do a proper outro for that video because I realized I did not. So yeah. Same row, different day, but freshly retied hair. Well, I retightened my hair a few days ago now, actually. But yeah, so this is the outro. Please join me for the next video where I show you how I retighten my hair and how long it took. Thank you for watching.